Okay, so in here we got a big thick nut. I don't know what else to call it for lack of, it's a nut. And it just holds that cylinder in on the tube. And all we got to do is there's a pin, goes through our roller, and it'll all go back together. So we're gonna do that now, and then we're gonna get ready to put it back in the actual boom. Okay, once you got the cylinder in place, oh shit, can't see. Once you got the cylinder in place and in the boom, there's a chain that's got to come up, and there's a rod that it has to connect to. On the other end over here, you'll see up here, here's your rod. That comes through and connects to your chain, and it's going to come through and connect into the rear cage, which is right here on the bench. So that rod actually comes through here, and then there's some big old nuts, and that's how you adjust your tension for your booms to come in and out.